inside my misery, I think I'll find a way of envisioning a better life for the rest of us. The rest of us. Hope for the rest of us. The rest of us. Okay, she keep going every single night. And I don't mind.